Hello, Elite Business Warriors. My name is Alfredo Cornelio and I'm a business coach. And on this video, I'm going to go over how does having your ideal customer avatar created would dramatically improve your marketing message and a few other pluses that come with it. But first of all, if you don't have your ideal customer written out and you're new to business, or if you have been around and never got around to creating your customer avatar, this is a must. It's one of the fundamentals that your business needs in order to create better service, in order to create better products, in order to target your ideal clients, and in order to give them a better overall experience. It is very difficult to have a successful business if you don't know who you're serving. It's very difficult to market to these people if you do not know who you're serving. So on the link below, I will leave a link below, either in the comments or on the message that you can actually click and download a free template that will help you break down and get crystal clear on who your ideal customers are. But back to the video. So how does having your ideal customer avatar improve your marketing? In the first way that you would improve your marketing dramatically is target marketing. Target marketing is when you know specifically who you're going after. You know where they hang out. You know what to say to them. You know what to say to them, and you know what products to put in front of them. Having a clear message, a clear image of who your customers are will help you leverage your message, your copywriting, and your products that you create to tailor to those needs. So it'll help you in clear messaging. Now, the second way that having your customer avatar created will help you in marketing is the copy. It's very easy to create copy when you know your customers' pain points. It's very easy to create copy when you know where you're putting it. If you're putting it in LinkedIn, you're using it on Facebook, if you're using it on YouTube, you can create your copy and customize it to any of those platforms because they all have a little bit of differences. There's a different way of speaking in every one of them, but it will improve your copy dramatically. And the third way that it will improve your marketing is by having your ideal customer avatar created, you will know where they hang out. You would know where do they grocery shop. You would know where do they go for entertainment. You would know where they are in social media. What are their favorite books? So you'll be able to place your ads in the places where they hang out. And you'll be able to pop up constantly. Maybe they won't click the first time, but if your hook is good enough, it would intrigue them. And after a couple of times, they'll click in and get your message. Once again, having a clear image of your customer avatar, who your customer avatar is, will help you create a better message for them, will help you create better products. And if you don't have your ideal customer avatar, once again, I'll leave a link below. Don't skip this, just print it out. You can fill it in, or you can just read it and put it in a notebook, and it will dramatically improve your business in so many ways I cannot express it. Have a great day. If you have any questions regarding how to create a customer avatar, please let me know. Have a good day.